Alright, good day everybody. This is Mr. John from Flickr Brains. Alright, join me as I log into my Google AdSense account. Alright, let's hit it up. Alright. Okay, you can see what's on my dashboard for today so far. You can see over here what's on my dashboard for today so far. You see we made roughly $1,000. This is $959.91 today so far. And yesterday we made $792. We didn't make much that yesterday. You can see for the month what we have made so far around $3,18,000. You can see that is 3,100 and I think $118. Okay, so you see the balance. You see that our money has entered balance for this month. You can see balance. That's what we load last month. Now it's on our balance. And if you have been following my video on my YouTube channel, you will notice that let me show you. You noticed when this money was, I was still loading it. It has not yet entered balance. Then you will notice that it has just entered balance now this month so far. So waiting for payouts. I think in this video, yeah, we're waiting for payout this month. So let me reduce the volume of this. Okay. Sorry, this, I think this, so let me improve the quality so you see more clearer. All right, okay, so you can see this is about, I think 4 days ago. You can see it over here. 4 days ago, you see 4 days ago we made $32,000. you see, but now look at it as entered balance. And I think I posted a video, so you can see my CPC. See how high our CPC are. You can see our pages. You can see round through over the countries we get traffic from. You can see everything. You can see how it is. You can see that we are performing nicely. You can come over to this performance. You can see our CPC, our clicks. You can see how low our CTR is. You can see our impression. You can see our PM. You see our pages. You see everything is working accurately. Everything is working smoothly. You understand? Everything is working smoothly as planned. Everything is drafted before we start loading. We draw the plan for every loading work before we start loading, so everything is working accordingly to the way we want. Let me refresh this to know if any upgrade is there. Okay, it's still the same. All right, so as I keep saying, if you want to learn this method, you click on the description box below. You contact us. Let us know your problems. If you are facing issues with loading, or you have accounts for loading, you want partnership deal, we have partnership offers. If you want to learn how we handle it, you want to purchase our method is available. You can click on the description box to contact us. You all right? So once again, this method is a very unique method. It's very different from any method you get online there. It's a very unique method. This method will make you real money. All right, have a nice day. This is Mr. John from Flickr Brains.